चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज के हमारे वीडियो ड्राफ्टमैन मैकेनिकल के। और इसमें हम अब यानी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर सेकंड ईयर जो हमारा पहले चल रहा था वो थर्ड सेमेस्टर वो भी सेकंड ईयर का था। अब हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। What is the typical range of valve that vary widely in form, application and size? आकार, उपयोग व साइज के आधार पर वाल्व की रेंज क्या होती है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर। 0.1 mm to 16 centimeter. Next question. Which of the following is not a type of valve? Option number D is the right answer. Eccentric valve. Next question. What will be the form of a gas or liquid when it will be heated? The right answer is option number A. Extend. Next question. Which material is not used to make a valve? वाल्व बनाने के लिए कौन सा मटेरियल प्रयोग किया जाता है? Option number B is the right answer. Wood. Next question. Which of the following components are used to prevent the leakage of a gas or fluid from valve? The right answer is option number D is the right answer, gasket. Next question. Which component is used to manually control a valve from outside the valve body? Option number A is the right answer, handle. Next question. In which shape three-way ball valve come in fluid passageway inside the rotor? Option number A is the right answer, T or L. T or L is the right answer. Next question. If the handle is turned 19 degree between operation position, the valve is called. The right answer is option number C, quarter turn valve. Next question. Which of the following valve has four parts equally spaced around the body? The right answer is four-way valve. Option number D is the right answer. Next question. What is the material of weight carrier part of dead weight safety valve? Option number A is the right answer, cast iron. Next question. Valve of a pressure cooker is an example of which of safety valve? The right answer is dead weight safety valve. Option number C is the right answer. Next question. Where the seat is secured in a vertical hollow pipe in a dead weight safety valve? The right answer is option number A is the right answer, to the top end. Next question. A spring loaded safety valve is also called. Option number D is the right answer. Spring-loaded safety valve is also called ram's bottom safety valve. Next question. Which part is used in ram's bottom safety valve to act when the steam pressure exceeds the set valve and allow the steam to escape? Option number B is the right answer. Spring. Next question. When the spring is compressed by nuts on the pillars, by which object its length being adjusted? Option number A, D is the right answer, collars. Next question. What is the material of lever in safety valve? Option number A is the right answer, CS, cast steel. Next question. How many steel bearings are used in lever safety valve? Option number A is the right answer, 1. Next question. Which object is placed near the fulcrum and of the level through which the load is adjusted? Option number B is the right answer. Counterweight. Next question. In the fire tube, boiler content of tubes are. Option number A is the right answer. Hot gas. Next question. Please wait. Next question. Which of these is an externally fired boiler? Option number C is the right answer. Lancashire boiler. Lancashire. Next question. Which arrangement is used to increase the temperature of saturated steam without raising its pressure? The right answer is option number B, superheater. Next question. Which of the following device is used to remove dissolved gases from boiler feed water? इसे रिपीट कर देते हैं. Which of the following device is used to remove dissolved gases from boiler feed water? Option number C is the right answer. Diameter. Diaerator. Next question. What is called the standard condition of 20 degrees Celsius and 101.3 kPa? The right answer is option number D, NTP. Next question. Which of the following mounting used in steam boiler? Option number C is the right answer. Safety valve mounting used in steam boiler. Next question. Which material is generally used to make blow-off coke? The right answer is option number B, gunmetal. Is generally used to make blow-off coke. Next question. Where the blow-off coke fitted? The right answer is option number A, lower part of boiler. Next question. Where a gland and stuffing box arrangement is provided in blow-off coke? The right answer is option number C, cover. Next question. Which of the following is used to remove impurities from boiler? The right answer is option number B. Blow-off coke is used to remove impurities from boiler. Next question. Which type of device is hydraulic jack? Option number C is the right answer. Mechanical device is the hydraulic jack. Next question. Which of the following factors generate force and on which hydraulic jack depends? Option number B is the right answer. Pressure. Next question. Which part is used as a lifting device to lift heavy load? Option number A is the right. Option number B is the right answer. B. RAM. Next question. Which is the most frequently used accumulator type? Option number A is the right answer. Compressed gas accumulator. Next question. On which principle spring type emulator works? Option number A is the right answer. Hooke's law principle spring type accumulator was. Next question. Which of the following has a storage reservoir where liquid is stored under pressure? Option number B is the right answer. Hydraulic accumulator. एक बार और देख लेते हैं इसे. Which of the following has storage reservoir where liquid is stored under pressure? Hydraulic accumulator. Next question. What is the medium used in pneumatic system? यानी वायु चालित प्रणाली में क्या माध्यम प्रयोग किया जाता है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर. एयर. Which one is pneumatic system? Option number B is the right answer. Air brake on a truck. Next question. How many ports and positions in a 3 by 2 direction control valve? The right answer is option number A. 3 ports and 2 positions. Next question. Which is not the basic feature of drill jig? ड्रिल जिग का बेसिक भाग कौन सा नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर. स्क्रू जैक ड्रिल जिग का भाग नहीं है. बाकी जो ड्रिल प्लेट, जिग बॉडी, बेस प्लेट, ये ड्रिल जिग के भाग हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रिल बुश? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. 3. Next question. Please wait. Which of the following material is used to make a bench-wise body? Option number A is the right answer. Cast iron. Next question. Why is vice clamp used? क्यों यूज होती है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. टू होल्ड द जॉब स्ट्रांगली. Why the vice clamp used? To hold the jaw strongly. Next question. Which type of thread is cut on the spindle of bench vise? Option number C is the right answer. Square thread. Next question. What is the use of template? Option number A, B is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. What is the use of template? Making on job. Job पर marking के लिए. Marking on the job. Next question. Which jig has no base plate? Which jig has no base plate? Option number D is the right answer. Plate jig has no base plate. Base plate. Next question. Question number 45. Which of the following is not the function of jig? जिग का कौन सा फंक्शन नहीं है? इसका आंसर देखते हैं. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. फिनिशिंग. फिनिशिंग जिग का काम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच जिग हैज नो बेस? ये अभी हमने पढ़ा है. विच जिग हैज नो बेस? इसके जैसे ही था वो क्वेश्चन. इसका राइट आंसर है चैनल जिग. Next question. Which of the following operations jigs are not used? ऑप्शन देखते हैं इसके. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मिलिंग. Milling operations jigs are not used. Next question. What is the use of hand vise? Option number D is the right answer. To hold the small sizes of job. Next question. What is the length of the handle of voice? What is the length of handle of voice? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी 2.5 टाइम ऑफ अ नॉर्मल साइज ऑफ वॉइस। वॉइस के सामान्य साइज के 2.5 गुना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच डिवाइस इज यूज टू होल्ड द पीस सिक्योरली इन अ जिग और फिक्सचर अगेंस्ट द कटिंग फोर्स? इसे रिपीट करते हैं, विच डिवाइस इज यूज टू होल्ड द वर्क पीस सिक्योरली इन अ जिग और फिक्सचर अगेंस्ट द कटिंग फोर्स? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर, क्लैंपिंग डिवाइस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको बताना है, पढ़ना है। आज की वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए। इसी के साथ साथ अगर आपने हमारी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी की वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसकी लिंक पड़ी हुई है, आई बटन पर से भी आप देख सकते हैं। हमारी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी की ड्राफ्टमैन, मैकेनिकल ट्रेड थ्योरी, वर्कशॉप, कैलकुलेशन एंड साइंस, इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग और मैकेनिकल में हमारी पड़ी हुई है। इसमें हाउ टू कट थ्रेड, स्क्वायर थ्रेड, VSW थ्रेड, तो आप वो भी जाकर देख सकते हैं। लेकिन सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। इसी के साथ मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। ओके।